Hey, this is Marco, and I'm going to show you how to use YouTube new thumbnail feature. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So basically what you want to do is you want to go to your YouTube studio. Once you have opened up your YouTube studio, you want to go to the top right, click on create, and then upload video, and then just upload any video of your choice. Once you have came to this window, just scroll down and you will see test and compare. So basically you click on that and you can upload 3 images to learn which one viewers prefer. And this is how it works. So upload images you want to test, YouTube will see which one performs the best, wait for the results up to 2 weeks. To see the report, go to the video details page. Viewers will only see the winning thumbnail. YouTube automatically updates your video when the test is done. And of course, it's always up to you. You can keep the winning thumbnail or choose a different one. So you want to just click on the plus button. And once you click on the plus button, it's going to open up your files. And from there, you just want to upload photos, click done, and then that's it. Publish your video as you normally would, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.